Alright, now I know where I'm at, so I don't need my GPS. So we are heading over to Otto's house right now. Not this one, it's the next one. Getting to his house is pretty easy from the freeway. I'm not gonna tell you where he lives, but it's pretty simple. So gonna meet up here. Gonna go wash our cars, and then we're gonna go to this meet. Hopefully we see you all there, and when I see you there, I'm gonna act the damn fool. I'm telling you. I got a 2-point turn. Alright, I'm gonna text him. Jehovah's Witnesses. There's the man with the plan. And the fucking fast ass sob. So stupid. When we were doing those pulls, dude, I was like, that's fucking gay.
I have like 100 more horsepower than you.
Yeah, I only got 160.
Yeah, I've got 265, so there you go.
Well, shut up, dude. Yeah. Look at my little fucking gay ass little gimbal thing. I got it at Best Buy.
I have white and I have black. Which one do you want?
I'll get the white one because my windows are tinted.
Okay.
Sweet. Look at that. See, this is when YouTubers come unite. We give each other shit.
Oh man, you can smell the gas.
This angle's gonna be a little bit different because I'm on my steering wheel. So if you see a lot of movement, then that's what's going on. So we're going to the car wash, which is like 15 minutes away. So yeah, we're going to the car wash right now, and go get our car wash. He said it's 15 minutes away. So we'll see how well that goes. Dude, his sob is so fast. It's ridiculous. So yeah, this meet should be really good. It's 2:13. We got about an hour and 30 minutes until we actually go and film the meet. I'm following him right now since I don't have to use my GPS. Looks like we're getting on the freeway. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can't turn. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna turn on a red light? Fun stuff. Alright, we're going through a tunnel right now so you can hear his exhaust. Yeah, that was a nice backfire. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this video. I mean, I'm having a fun time out here in Arizona. So yeah, once again, I will be filming a little bit on the way back. So, because I'm following Auto right now, so I need to really pay attention to the road. But we got our cars cleaned. You can see his car.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see.
Clay bar his car, so he can get most of the contaminants off. Because as you guys know, if you guys follow him, that he has a lot of tar on his car. So I mean, yeah, the tar is going to be a pain in the ass to get off, but he told me, you know, something that's coming up for a future video. I'm not going to tell you, but I told him he needs to clay bar his car so he can get most of that shit off. And if I had more time out here, like a few more days out here, I would totally do it, but I'm not. I don't have that much time, and if I do, I want to record, but we will be recording at his house, and I don't want to be recording at his house like that. It's not my place to do it. I mean, unlike me, I record at my house all the time. I mean, like I said, if you guys want to try and find me, good luck. But we are going to hop on the freeway right now, and then we are going to go back So you guys can see some awesome ass cars, meet some cool people, all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a minute. We made it to the pavilions. The nice 9.3. Mr. Auto. Rocking the Phoenix. Dude, I was this close to rocking my freaking my basketball jersey. I didn't. I feel like getting made fun of. I have to keep it forward, dude.
Yeah.
I have to.
Nice.
I got that for like $10. It's not bad. What up, Cletus? Hey. Hey. Yeah, figured. Why? Why?
He's like, I want the fucking sir, on the side that says no loud exhausts. If you could please don't tell my guys. We're trying to do a partnership. Well, that's
What is this car? What is this supposed to about this? He's a YouTuber. What's that mean? He makes YouTube videos, so he makes videos on. He's like a. He's kind of famous. Yes. I just gotta talk to him for a minute. Sorry, Mr. Officer, we're doing it for bail.
Do it, yeah.